This is the display mod from GoPro, and as you can see, with a simple press of the button, then your screen changes from here to here. And that, as you can see, gives you a bigger view of what you had before. So again, a little press and boom, it's ready to go. And also, when you're in this mode, you can get some settings appearing on here. So you can see how many shots you've got, amongst other things. So it actually gives you more real estate to do what you're doing and to film what you're filming. Now, when you're in this mode, the rear screen does go off. So essentially the output of the rear screen goes to this. But it's very simple to get that back on. All you do is press the button there and then it's back. Very, very simple. And then if you want it back on the front screen, boom, there you go. So it's quite quick. And actually the really good thing about it is when you flip it to the back, it actually reorientates itself. So it gets itself the right way up, which is like pretty cool, I would say. So who is this for? Well, if you do a lot of vlogging and you want to see yourself clearly, then the little screen here might not really be enough for you to see exactly what's going on and what you're framing up. So if you need a bit of a bigger screen, then the display mod is probably for you. It doesn't work with every single camera. For instance, it doesn't work with older GoPros, such as the 7 and older, but it is compatible with the Hero 8 and newer. So, certainly if you have a GoPro that doesn't have this front screen at all, then it's definitely going to be really useful for you. And if you, as I said, want a bigger screen than this one here, or you want to free that up so you can just see your settings in there and see what you're recording in here, then another reason for you to get this display mod from GoPro. So it has its own battery internally that lasts about 2 hours. So there's no need to worry about it draining the GoPro's battery. And actually when it's on, you're saving battery by not using this here. If you're a GoPro fanatic or you just want that extra bit of real estate to see what you're filming, then I'd suggest you give this a go. So as you can see, the display mod comes in this padded case. So on the inside it's got padding on both sides and then it clips shut like so, and it's solid plastic on the outside with the GoPro symbol there. So when you're not using a display mod, you can keep it nice and safe. Now for any GoPro user from GoPro 8 and newer, you do need the media mod in order to use this system.